One scoop of this golden powder dissolves into pure comfort. But inside the factory, massive machines work non-stop to turn raw grain into that perfect malt. Extreme drying, precision mixing, and strict quality checks, all running at industrial scale, every single hour. Let's get inside and see exactly how it's made.
Welcome to our factory. And this is how millions of jars of Horlicks are made every single day.
It all begins here, in the golden fields, where the finest barley is harvested to the strictest standards.
This sugar pallet is heavy. Make sure the jack is fully under.
Got it. Hey, watch the drums on your right.
Barley moisture is fine.
And the syrup density checks out. We can approve the batch.
Milk powder, lot 4B.
Confirmed. Sugar inventory is also updated.
The temperature is holding steady at 85.
Good. Let's maintain the airflow rate. Check the humidity levels again before we log it.
As you can see, the moisture content is precisely 4.2%. The kilning process was successful.
Thiamine hydrochloride, 500 milligrams.
Recorded. Ferric pyrophosphate next.
The process begins with lifting the 50-kilogram sugar bags, carefully sliced open above the ribbon blender, followed by the malt and wheat flours.
Temperature at 65 degrees. The rotary valve is maintaining a consistent flow into the conveying pipe.
The flow rate looks good on the gauge.
Yes, sieving efficiency is stable at 98%.
Check the viscosity on the caramel batch.
It seems slightly high. Let me rerun the sample.
तीसरे टिवक देखेंगे तीसरे संपर्क फ्रोन से पके हैं फिर साधा पक्का पैसे पबल के टैक्सी कबला पर देख स्पॉन और उस दिखा है
The integrated checkware system ensures that every container meets our precise weight standards before moving to the next stage.
Looks good. All containers are precisely 500 grams.
Line 2 is showing a slight variation in fill weight.
I'll adjust the auger speed now and keep an eye on line 3.
This one is reading 501 grams.
Okay, that aligns with the checkware readout. Make a note of the batch number.
Illegitium code grade is taken के उधर दांव पार दिन है ना चाट के न कर दे तबाह देखने का Graving के कई साल
The manifest for the caramel order. We need to move these out by noon.
All right, let me cross-reference the bay locations.
We need 3 more for the first truck.
They're on the conveyor.
Watch the alignment on the third one.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.